Guys, there was one question we all want an answer to. Does Armor All tire foam really clean an engine? Like, really clean it. I don't mean just spray it on and see how shiny it makes your rubber hoses and your plastics. Does this product actually clean dirt off of your engine? We're going to test this. After spraying a whole can onto my engine, we're going to see if this will thoroughly clean an engine, and we'll also provide updates on a week-to-week basis for a whole month to see how long it lasts. This is going to be pretty interesting, so let's jump right in. The only concern you should have when spraying the tire foam onto your engine is making sure you do not get your air filter wet. If you have a closed box like on my 2013 F-150, make sure you do not spray into any openings around the air box. If you have an exposed filter, my advice is to cover the filter with a plastic bag to prevent the tire foam from soaking into your filter. Also, I made sure my engine was warm but not hot. At the time I filmed this, I was not sure if a hot engine would be a problem for the contents inside of the can. I don't believe this is an issue, but I would still be cautious. Once that is taken care of, begin spraying. I bought 2 cans thinking I would need both since I have a rather large engine. However, one was enough to coat my entire engine more than once. Once the can runs out, all you need to do is wait for it to dry. If you want to get your hands dirty, you can use a soft brush to irritate the areas with heavy dirt, but for the purpose of this video, I will not use any tools or products besides the tire foam itself. This is after a half an hour. It's about 45 degrees outside, so it's taking longer to dry than it would if it was in the middle of the summer. Now this is after an hour. As you can see, it's still pretty wet. So what I'm gonna do is let this dry overnight and then record how it looks first thing in the morning. Okay, so this is the next morning, and as you can see, it definitely looks cleaner. But check out this dirt around my coolant reservoir. This gives me the belief that tire foam does a better job of making rubber hoses and black plastics look shiny as opposed to cleaning dirt off of an engine. Now that we know it doesn't thoroughly clean dirt off, the next question is, does it leave behind a protective coating? This will be answered shortly. Let's take a look at how my engine looks after a week. As you can see, it looks about the same. It drizzled in the middle of the week, but it doesn't appear to have changed anything. The hoses and plastics still look great. Now let's see the 2-week update. Same thing, everything still looks good. The weather was pretty good this week with no rain, so I think that is helping prolong the life of this tire foam. Let's check into the 3rd week. This week had 3 days of rain. One day was pretty heavy, the other 2 were light showers. And I have to say I'm impressed the tire foam held up really well. It seems like it does a very good job of resisting moisture. Let's check out the month update. There it is, guys. My engine still looks pretty good, and in total there was about 6 days of rain. This tire foam does a great job of keeping your rubber tires looking new for months in different weather conditions. So it makes complete sense that the tire foam was able to protect those plastics and rubber hoses. If you have any video ideas, drop a comment below. We would love to try different products out there and see how well they may or may not work. Also, hit that like button if you would be so kind, as this really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.